Hi, to use Write on Calendar feature on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, firstly we'll need to take out our S Pen and now we need to trigger here commands. For that, you can go in the settings first and here scroll till the advanced features. After that, simply select your S Pen and go in the Air command. Here you can select style, we got standard which is bigger and compact which is smaller, and we can enable these two features, open air command with pattern button and show air command icon which will look like that. You can drag it anywhere across the screen. Now what we are going to do next is to go in shortcuts, and here you need to make sure that you got this Write on Calendar feature added to your shortcut so you could see it in this upper panel. If not, you need to select it from this list and simply tap on it to add to the shortcuts. Also notice that here fits only 10 features and apps, so don't forget about this. Now let's go back and I'm gonna show you how to use Write on Calendar feature. For that, we need to find the Air command icon and tap on it, and here we see our default list of features. So from here, choose Write on Calendar, and now we can highlight important moments using our S Pen, so you can draw around some dates. For example, you can highlight birthdays of your friends. Here you can also tap on the bottom of the page, select different type of pen, choose its color, and of course you can just zoom in, write something down like that, and you can zoom in to take even more precise notes like this. So this is almost like a paper calendar and this S Pen is almost like usual pen. So just don't forget to highlight everything important, and we got more cool features, which is you can select here this highlight, you can choose its size, and now you can highlight important days like that, which is pretty cool. I like it so much. So you can see that it is like this straight line, so like a basic highlighter like that. And now we can of course use this eraser to erase some not needed moments in our calendar, and if you're satisfied with changes you would need to tap this save button, and this is how it will look. So we can just go to our home page, find our default calendar app, open it, and every change will be displayed in our calendar. So this is how it will look. You can of course select another month and year and make some adjustments there, but this is basically it, how you use this feature. If you would like to remove your drawings from the calendar, you would need to tap this pen icon. From here you can choose this eraser and simply erase everything like that and then save it, and now you got only plain calendar. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.